A Wyoming Marital Settlement Agreement is a commonly used contract between two spouses who are undergoing an uncontested divorce. In it, the soon-to-be separated couple establishes all terms and conditions that will become effective upon the dissolution of their marriage. Since the document can save time and money for divorcing couples, we have compiled information in this video regarding the importance of settlement agreements, their primary function, and legal requirements under Wyoming law. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Make sure that you watch to the end of this video where we'll give you a link to where you can make your own marital settlement agreement online, potentially saving you thousands of dollars during the divorce process. First, let's define exactly what is a marital settlement agreement. A marital or divorce settlement agreement binds a divorce arrangement between two spouses as it pertains to the distribution of their shared property, assets, and child-related responsibilities, among many other items. Not only does it record the couple's terms, but it also serves to accelerate the process in court. This is because the settlement may be presented before the case's appointed judge, as opposed to letting the judge split up the assets at their full discretion. The spouses may submit the settlement with their unique conditions. By finding mutual grounds on the terms of their separation, couples can control the outcome of their divorce instead of allowing a judge to determine the dispersion of their property and other interests. Note, a judge may still amend the settlement or request changes if he or she finds the deal unfair to one party or otherwise unjust under law. Now, let's discuss some of the key legal requirements in Wyoming. Wyoming is one of the 41 states governed by equitable distribution law. Equitable distribution is the fair dispersion of assets, meaning that the marital property is not necessarily divided evenly or in half. Instead, distributions are left to the discretion of a judge who will separate property based on equitable law if the spouses are unable to reach a settlement before a trial or face a heavily contested divorce. So essentially, it's the court that has the final say on decisions regarding the distribution of property and responsibilities. When applying equitable distribution, the courts often take into account the duration of the marriage, what each spouse paid for, employability of each spouse, assets and debts of each spouse or combined, and sources of income and amount. Still, a well-prepared settlement document might be able to circumvent such distribution by a judge, provided the spouses see eye to eye and consent to the terms in writing and before the judge if necessary. And finally, another notable legal requirement concerns state residency. The spouses must fulfill one of the two requisites before filing in court. One of the spouses has resided in the state for at least 60 days prior to filing the action, or the couple was married in the state and the filing spouse has lived in Wyoming for the time of the marriage until the filing of the divorce action. All in all, the divorce process can take about 30 to 90 days, depending on how quickly both spouses can reach a mutual accord and document their terms on a settlement agreement. Each spouse should look to protect the assets that they believe are their rightful property while still being willing to compromise in some aspects. We're eForms, the largest database of legal documents. We have created an expansive and state-specific template that covers every last detail of the Wyoming Marital Settlement Agreement. To get this official template that can be used to file for divorce in your local district court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.